Good night, everybody.
Let me see some fire sign.
So you will run to tell a friend to tell our next friend.
Sunday Night Live.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to another exciting Sunday night live. Good night, everybody.
And welcome to another Sunday Night Lyme.
Where you go heal and toe, heal and toe. Heal and toe, make we heal and toe.
The cherry, massacre, after dancing it, explosion we run the whole street, just catching new dance tougher than a concrete. But Arville, well I don't make we start jiff.
Sweet, like a foot boomer. When me look in a crystal, I crocodile me sit on the ground.
Me nah do nothing to the teacher, nobody nah do nothing, cause Johnny nah do nothing. Me nah know what's Christopher. And then they say, no, move like a boy, I got a big class. So I got a big class, I run the big class too, cause nobody never talented like me in a big class.
Na 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 na. If I'm burning marijuana upon my corner, they keep me calmer, it make me smarter. Well, I'm burning on the highway with the highest grind, it's getting to my head. I go, a brown skin. Well, I wanna rock you in my arms and ting and brown skin. Well, I love the vibe, I love the spice, I love the passion you bring.
In onion chicken, leg of the bird. I grade kicking, chalice full of herb. I mean no deal with second, now I do third. No chat can't go round till I see I word. Bun snapper, bun parrot, bun shark. No make ding dang if the rifle walk. Chihuahua fi quiet when the rifle a back. Don't make the rifle talk. Me say that one your name. Dirt. Dirt. Your bag of guzu guzu can't work.
Chicken a la Houdini.
But that no must taste good.
No, alright, it disappears with every bite. And some people come at the house and you make them know say only corned beef you have at the house. They say you broke week and you only have corned beef and spaghetti, right? But you try to fix it up the best way for them to full enjoy it. And you have to serve it. Tell me how you have to fix it up. Drop, no something, drop.
Golf, all in one. Melinda, give me here. Come again.
Psychological thrillers.
Psychological thriller.
Love them, like Shutter Island.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
But I ask you one of your favorite films, but from Mr. Shutter Island,
And
it's one of your favorite.
Gone Girl.
I think an important question here to ask is, Shannon Sharp, what were you doing with this 20-year-old girl, and why were you playing BDSM with her?